Big deal in making, that is Cipla's promoter stake sale, which has been in the news for quite some time now. And in the latest report, we understand that Torrent Pharma is actually looking at to buy the Cipla's promoter family, that is Hamied family stake, which is currently at 33.5%. And that's Economic Times reported today itself that now Torrent Pharma joins the fray with Hamied family stake in Cipla up against Blackstone as well as Baring PE. Those were the names that were already in the reports, and Torrent is working with JP Morgan to compete with the big buyout funds is also what Economic Times newspaper reported. And on to this, analyzing this deal, this is to be found that Torrent Pharma, this deal could actually be negative. Why so? Because Cipla's business is margin dilutive to Torrent Pharma. High exposure is there for Cipla in the US, as well as there are low margin areas and geographies where Cipla is present. And if we look at the plant clearance of Cipla as well as Torrent Pharma, both of these companies are stuck with their plant clearance from US FDA when it comes to the US facilities or the facilities which can cater to the US markets. When we talk about the Torrent Pharma's addition for the US business, then there could be an addition of $750 million to its annual revenue. But when it comes to their India business, then there could be some synergies definitely, because both have a strong presence in India. But key to note is that Cipla's business size is actually double the size of what Torrent is doing in the domestic markets, and their portfolios are quite very different. No much repetition is seen, but when it comes to the US business and the rest of the markets, there could be margin dilution, and any management change at Cipla could be seen as a negative, because in the medium term or in the long run, Mr. Umang Vohra remains a critical player in Cipla's growth story. So this deal is already in the making, is something that is getting new developments reported day by day. But for today, when we see this deal from the bird's view eye, then this is to be found negative for Torrent Pharma, and that's why the stock was under pressure and down 2% today.